Hey guys, we're back again. We are going to get that deck hopefully finished today. So, let's go see how much work we can get done. So, it's another brisk morning, and the rain has held off, clear skies, so we're going to get at this deck today, hopefully get it finished. Exciting!
You can sit right under there at 42. It was like it was meant to be.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Meant to be. Hey guys, so we're done for the day. It's starting to rain, but we got the railings almost done. We just got the one little section left, and we still got to box in the upper supports on the roof. So the 6x6 posts need to be boxed and lag bolts, and then we actually got to do roofing on top of that. Oh yeah. The rain is now snow. Well, as soon as we can get back to it, we're going to continue boxing these in and putting in our lag bolts. We're going to finish off this section of the railing right here and the top of the post. And then, of course, we got to get up on the roof and do the actual roofing when the weather gets a little bit nicer. Well, it's the next morning and it has stopped snowing. But, yeah. I don't think we're gonna get to the roof today. As you can see, the sun is out, the snow is gone, things have dried up, and we have all of our roofing materials here. So we're gonna get up on the roof and show you guys how this is all done. Alright. Well, that's different. So guys, if you're ever zipping in lag bolts or anything like that with an impact, use an impact socket, right? One of these guys. They're different from the chrome ones. See how you can see how the edges have been kind of bashed a little bit? Yeah, these sockets are designed for that. They won't round out. The chrome sockets will. They'll eventually crack and break. And also, a shout out to my buddy Steve for buying me the whole set of these impact drivers here. So, he got me the whole bunch of them. The whole set, all different sizes, and I use them all the time when I'm working on the car. So, Steve, thanks buddy. I owe you. Alright, so I was gonna draw things out for you guys to kind of show what we're doing, but it turns out the boxes of shingles actually have drawings and instructions already laid out on them, so this is gonna make things even simpler. So, alright, this is your plywood that you've got there. Okay, that's what this little picture is. So this is your ice guard, or whatever that first layer that you bought is, and you can see kind of right there, there's some little nail holes. This is your drip edge. So you should have a metal drip edge, okay, that runs along the bottom. Then you have your first layer. Then you're gonna have your underlayment right there, right? So this is the roll, right? The roll of this stuff here, the felt, and you've got a drip edge that goes up the side laid on top of that, okay? And then you're gonna start laying your shingles. I don't really understand what this is a picture of. I guess the flashing down the middle of a joint, I don't know. But either way, so your first set of shingles, called a starter course, you're gonna cut, here's a piece, this is the cutoff from the side. You're gonna cut the shingle in half, basically, lengthwise, right? And you're just gonna use the first bit, the first half there. So you're gonna nail those down, tack those down, and here it just kind of shows the position of where you nail them. So you nail them, some shingles actually have a slit that goes the entire width, or these ones, I don't think these ones do, or sorry, I know they don't, I know these ones don't, but you nail on the ends, and then right there on these edges, so that the next layer, it's overlapping those nails, right? And each layer of shingles is gonna have a little bit of a sticky kind of adhesive to them. And that adhesive, you can see it there, it's kind of shiny. This black adhesive sticks down the edge of the shingle. So when you lay the shingle down, that black adhesive, the nails should be on the inner edge of it, so that these stick down and water's not gonna get up and in there. Water's gonna flow downhill, right? So you start at the bottom edge and you layer your way up so that there's no way water's ever going to meet an edge, right? It's always gonna be going down, flowing over top of an edge, over top of a layer, until eventually it gets down the bottom to your drip edge and out into your eaves, right? It goes out into your eaves troughs. Yeah, I'm not really sure what this is showing. Looks like it's showing depth of nails. Yeah, hit it straight. Well, yeah, obviously hit it straight. Anyways, that's the basics of how this is done. I'm going to show you some video of the roof, of course, when we get to laying everything out. That drip edge looks good. So the way we're gonna do this edge is we're gonna get a piece of metal, and it's gonna be like a shape like that, and it's gonna go under that layer of shingles there. So it's gonna be over that, and then that's gonna be over top of that. So the water will drip down here, and then it will run off into our existing eaves trough. Right? Makes sense? So that's gonna be all how that is finished up. Getting there, looking good. Alright guys, it's the end of the day, and my saw is back in the garage, and it is not working. After it got stuck on that piece of wood, the motor got bogged down, and it cut out altogether. So, something gave it up. I bet it's the motor, but we're going to pull this apart, and we're going to find out what's going on with this thing. As of right now, it's a useless hunk of metal, so that sucks. We're going to figure out what's wrong with it. Stay tuned for that. I'll catch you guys on the next one.